friends. This is Shrishti Shah from Artiza. So I'm live again. Actually काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स की एक क्वेरी आ रही थी कि लाइक जेसो कैसे बनाते हैं, टेक्सचर पेस्ट कैसे बनाते हैं, चॉक पेंट कैसे बनाते हैं. सो आई वॉज गोइंग टू मेक फॉर माई आर्ट वर्क. सो आई थॉट मैं आके ऑनलाइन लाइव आके आपको सिखा भी दी. जो भी फॉलोअर्स है, इट्स क्वाइट ईजी एंड इनएक्सपेंसिव ऑल्सो. सो यू कैन ऑलवेज जस्ट मेक इट एट होम. जो भी पाउडर मैं आपको बताती हूँ आप रेशियो लिख सकते हो. एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी कन्वीनियंट एंड वेरी इजी एंड वेरी इकोनॉमिकल अगर आप घर पे बनाते हो. सो यू कैन जस्ट see how I'm making it. I'll just see a few highs. If you are online, you can just message a hi or a like or anything. So I know that you are few people are online and we can start our artwork. It is actually basically a tip जो आप फॉलो कर सकते हो और इजीली घर पे बना सकते हो. लेट यू नो ऑल्सो कि जैसो कहाँ यूज़ होता है, टेक्सचर पेस्ट कहाँ यूज़ होता है, बिकॉज थोड़ा सा कन्फ्यूजन रहता है. जो रेगुलर वर्क करता है इट इज़ वेरी ईजी फॉर देम. बट अगर आप न्यू हो, अगर आपको थोड़ा आर्ट वर्क में एंड आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, इट इज़ अ वेरी वेरी यूजफुल. See, I've started getting few highs. If I can get few more, we'll just start the live video. And there are few artworks that are going online classes also. For Artiza actually is an online and offline classes painting page. So it is going on equally. I have around 27 paintings that is going online for Artiza. And this offline also there are multiple courses which are going on. So you can just go to my page, and there is the first post which I have pinned. That is you can see the artworks which are going online, and offline we are based in Mumbai. So I can just you can just I'll pin my contact number also. So you can, if you wish to join in Mumbai, if you are nearby, you can contact me directly. So I'll pin my name also. Yeah, hi. So there are few highs right now, so I can just I'll just wait for 10 of y'all and then we can start. So it's a online and offline page also. You can see that Artiza is on Facebook. It is on this Instagram, Artiza Official, and Instagram and sorry, YouTube, Artiza Official also. So I'm available on all these three. Artiza Official is the name. So you can subscribe and like to my this channel. Hi Shambhavi. So you can just like and follow my page. So whenever I come live and teach you few tricks also which are only for the viewers, you can follow that also. So now I think we'll see I've yeah, thank you Shambhavi. Now today I'll just repeat it what I'm going to teach. It is the gesso paste which we can make home easily with very less of ingredients. टेक्सचर पेस्ट ऑल्सो जो बहुत ही इकोनॉमिकल होगा अगर आप घर पे बनाओगे विद द फ्यू थिंग्स, ओनली 2 or 3 मटेरियल यू नीडेड. I'll tell you the ratio and proportion also, and I'll show you also where you can use it. What is gesso for, what is texture for, texture paste for, and I'll teach you the chalk paint also. So these are little expensive which is available. अगर नहीं है, how you can make it at home. So it is that okay, first either we will take see, first we have to take, you can take baby powder. अगर baby powder नहीं available है, you can take chalk powder also. If chalk powder is also not available, you can take POP. अगर ये तीनों भी available नहीं है and you have a normal talcum powder, then you go for it. But preferably it is baby powder. But in case ये तीनों powder में से कुछ भी available नहीं है, talcum powder तो होता ही है, you can just take that. So I'll take, you have to just, then in the end I will repeat the session, I will repeat the ratio and the proportion also. So right now you can just see how I'm making it. See, first I'm taking, I think the video is, you can see, yeah. So now first I'm taking 1 spoon of talcum powder. Right now I'm first making gesso. So it is 1 spoon of talcum powder. You can use, I am repeating, you can use any of those. Chalk mitti is also okay, POP is also okay, or baby powder है तो बहुत अच्छा, अगर नहीं है then you use this normal talcum powder. So I'm taking 3 spoons of talcum powder. आपके कोई भी query हो, you just put in a message. If I read it right now, I'll answer the questions, or you can comment in the comment box. I'll reply to you later. So right now I have taken, oh, I forgot how much. Wait, I'll take 3 spoons of it. And equal proportion. For gesso, you have to take equal proportion of Fevicol MR. For this gesso, you have to take MR only. So I am taking Fevicol MR. So I will take 3 spoons of Fevicol MR. Yeah, I thought so, Shambhavi. So I came online. I was making it for my artwork. So I thought I'll share it with you all. Do share my video. It is a very, very useful video for the art lovers. Do share it with your art groups, and so, or your personal page, FB page also. So other art students can also know this trick and do it very, very economical, because these are available very costly in the stores. So this is the 2 spoon, and this is the 3rd spoon of Fevicol MR. I am just mixing it. You just need to make a nice paste. Once this is mixed properly, you can add 1 spoon of white acrylic color. White acrylic color is that whenever the paste becomes pure white, and whenever you paint it on it, then it gives a proper finished look. It absorbs the paints very nicely. So I am making white gesso. People make black gesso also. So it is same thing. You will add black color in the black gesso. Right now I am adding 1 spoon of white acrylic color. Just mix it nicely. Thank you so much. Dairesh, please, thank you so much. Yeah, see, I have mixed it and made it a proper paste kind of a thing. I'll show you the consistency also. You just need to mix properly. I'll just get the tissue. Can I get a tissue? Yeah, see the consistency. It is quite thick, but it is flowy. It is very thick, but it is flowy. Do share the video. It is very, very important information to all the craft lovers, so they will really love to learn this at home. I'm also going to show you that where exactly you can, where is gesso used exactly. Yeah, see, the paste I have made is quite thick, and it is giving a very nice look. Now this gesso paste, ये बन गया है gesso paste. Now where do we apply this? So that's the question कि gesso कहाँ apply होता है. तो it is applied on any cardboard surface. If you want to do artwork on this, you can apply it on this. It gives a very protected effect, and then when you apply colors, it takes it very nicely. So it acts as a shield. It acts as a shield, and you can use it on cardboard, MDF board, your canvas board, or this glass bottles also. We can apply gesso, and then we can do our artwork, because it will not, any of the artwork will not stick on the polished surface. It can be something like this plastic bottle also, if you want to do an artwork on this. So you just now your gesso is ready. You can store this for a month also. You just need to store it in an airtight container. That's the only thing. तो वो ड्राई नहीं होगा. यू जस्ट नीड टू आप फ्रेश भी बना सकते हो अगर आपको चाहिए उतना ही क्वांटिटी का. एंड इफ यू लाइक टू स्टोर इट, यू कैन जस्ट पुट द रिमेनिंग पार्ट इन द एयरटाइट कंटेनर. So I'll just apply and I'll show you how it smoothly it will work. It gives a nice finished coat, and once it dries you can do any of the artwork on it. Do share this video, friends, with on your page also, and any art page you are associated or you have joined to any other groups also. Do share there, so more and more people can watch this. See, once I apply it, I'll show you how smoothly it applies. And then you can let it dry, and then if you feel, you can put one more coat and you can start your artwork. So you can, I'm repeating it, you can apply gesso on this cardboard, MDF boards, or on this canvas boards, bottles, glass bottle, plastic bottles, flower planters. You can just apply on it, and you can it will get protected. You can easily then do your artwork. So this is the gesso. If you have any questions related to this, you can just put a comment, or I'll answer to it. And if you have a question later while doing it, you can put it in the comment box. I'll reply to you. So this was the gesso which I made. Now we will move on to the texture paste. Now the texture paste, the ingredients are the same. I'll just take the spoon. See, now this proportion was 3 spoons of Fevicol, 3 spoons of powder. That was baby powder, wall putty, or you can take POP or chalk powder also. Chalk mitti it is called. So any of those, 3 spoon this, 3 spoon equal quantity, and then 1 spoon of acrylic white color. You can, if you are making black gesso, you will put black color instead of white. Now I am making the texture paste. So for that texture paste, again I am taking 3 spoons of powder, any of the 3 powder which is available for you, to you. Now I will take 2 spoons of Fevicol. Chalk paint is different, Shambhavi. Today I will teach you how to make chalk paint also. It is a little different. थोड़ा सा ingredients में different है. I'll show you how to. The gesso is a little thicker than the chalk paint. That's the difference. It gives a good coating to the product, and the chalk paint gives a paint effect but in a matte form. So that is basically the difference between the two. So I'll teach you the chalk paint today also. So I have mixed 2 spoons of Fevicol and 3 spoons of baby powder. You just need to mix this nicely first. Any of the 2 ingredient you are taking, just first mix it so you will not have any lumps and it gets mixed easily. And one spoon of white acrylic color in this texture paste. Friends, do share the video in different groups so that even other art lovers can get the benefit of this. It is very common thing that students keep on asking me, even my online students, or they just random viewers ask me what's the difference. So I have explained and made it very clear today. Still you have any doubt, you can just contact me. Thank you so much. If you're liking the video, please pour likes and hearts also. If it is at all informative for you, do like the video, share hearts. See, now I'll show you the consistency of the texture paste also. If you feel at all that it is very thick, you can just add a little Fevicol or acrylic color. Thank you so much for the likes. Do like the video if you like it. You can follow my page also, Arteza. See, you can see the difference. You can see the difference. I showed you gesso. It was free flowing, and now see, this is the texture paste. You can see how thick it is. And we want texture paste to be a little thick because when you put a texture on it, it should stay. It shouldn't be free flowing. So वो आपको ध्यान रखना है. So we have used the flowing material, as in the acrylic color and the this Fevicol MR a little less. So this is the texture paste. I will show you how the texture paste, what you use, as in how do you use the texture paste. See, you can apply texture paste for any of the surface which you want to be a little textured. There are many types of this textures that we do. I will come with a special session on that. Right now I'll just show you a little how this texture creates. I have the stencil. Actually acrylic color, yes, it is required. Shambhavi, I have told you that I am taking 1 spoon of acrylic white paint also in the texture paste. I am taking 3 portion of MR Fevicol, 3 spoons, 2 spoon of Fevicol and 1 spoon of white acrylic. White color gives a very nice look to your texture, and then when you apply a different color if you want on it, it catches and it gives a very bright look to that color. So we add white this acrylic color to it. See, this is a small stencil which I have. I'll just apply this texture paste and show you a little how it works. You just need to dab it. अगर आपके पास stencil नहीं है, there are many other ways to do texture also, that I'll come with a new session on it, only on textures. Friends, do like the video and share it in your group. I'll just create a nice stenciling and show it to you how thick is the texture paste and what effect does it give. See, you can see, if you are able to see, it is a little thicker. It gives a raised effect than this cardboard. So the texture paste is this, and when you apply gesso, it is a quite, subtle effect. It is plain. So for texture white, we need a little, the texture to be a little thick. You will see that it will create a little dimension to this cardboard. So this is the texture paste. So I'll just repeat. You can use a sponge, you can use your any other tool also, you can use spoon also, but you need to scrap the end. It should be very clean. So if you're not having a dabber also, you can take a normal 10 rupees sponge which is available at any shop, and you can use that. That is the most convenient way, because it spreads only on the area which you want. It doesn't go more or it doesn't come less, so it is equally spread. So I prefer this. Then it is personal choice, but if you don't have a dabber, don't worry. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर ये नहीं है आप कर नहीं पाओगे. Whatever is available for you, you get sponge the whole this thing in 10 rupee, you can use that also. So this was the texture paste. Now the proportion I am repeating for the texture paste is 3 spoons of Fevicol MR, 3 spoons of Fevicol MR, 2 spoons of 3 spoons of baby powder or chalk powder or POP, and then 2 spoons of Fevicol and 1 spoon of white acrylic color. So any doubt till now, you can just let me know. Yeah, ratio, Drashti, I'll repeat again also at the end of the session. You can note it down, and any comments regarding this, any issue or any thing which you can't understand, you can just let me know. So this was the texture paste, the consistency a little thicker. Again, this also you can store for a month. You just need to store in a airtight container. That's it. Please share the video, please, guys, because it's going to be really helpful to them. Now I am going to show you the chalk paint. Now the chalk paint is that chalk paint basically is what that you cannot apply usually these colors, these bottle colors directly on this kind of a polished surface. You need a little dry element, because even this is a very polished element, so ये चीज़ यहाँ इतनी नहीं scrap हो जाती है. So you can apply something like this gesso first, or you can use a chalk paint. Chalk paint is very matte. It is like this only, but it has a very matte look. So today I am going to teach you. Even those are expensive. So chalk paint आप आसानी से मैं जब अगर आपको बताऊंगी तो you will feel it is very convenient and economical to make it at home. So again I am taking a container. I am taking again 2 spoons of color. आप कोई भी बना सकते हो chalk color, whatever you want to make. You just need the colored bottle of that color, as in the liquid bottle of the that color which you want to make. I am making of yellow color. So right now first I am taking yellow color. You will take fresh color. It's going to be very watery. So right now this color, since I have used it, it's a little thicker. You can just add a little water also to it. Just add a little water. Your color is fresh, you need not add water. This is a little thick, I am adding a little water. Should be nice and flowy. So if it's a new bottle, you will get a very good consistency. So this is 2 spoons of whatever color you want to make. You will take 2 spoons. Yeah. And 1 spoon of powder I am taking. Whatever powder is available, 1 spoon is. You will add powder. So 2 spoons of color and 1 spoon of powder. In this case I have added a little water, so I might need a little more powder. Hope the video, you are liking the video. Please pour hearts and love if you liking it. I'm just taking a little more powder because I had added a little watery paint to it. So the consistency of the chalk paint is 2 spoons of the color and 1 spoon of the powder. And the effect is, trust me, the effect is the same. You can try it. You can then, put in my comment box that are you liking the these kind of tips. Then definitely I'll come more with it. Powder is, Mansi, the powder is either you can take baby powder, you can take chalk mitti, you can take POP, anything which is available for you. In case you are not having the powder, then you can take this normal talcum powder also. Preferably go for this baby powder, because it is much smooth and the grains are very 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 smooth, so we prefer baby powder. But in case you are not having, don't worry, you can just go with a normal talcum powder also. Just a little more I need to add, because this my paint is a little thicker. You will just need 2 spoons of color and 1 spoon of powder. Mansi, I hope I have answered your question. Yes, Shambhavi, it is baby powder or talcum powder, or I have told you, you can use chalk mitti also you have, or you can use this POP also. I just need to add little water, because it is a little thick for me, because my colors are, I have been using this. You will take a fresh bottle, you will just need 2 spoon of this color and 1 spoon of baby powder. That's the exact measure. Guys, do share the video. It is very very economical and it's a very very helpful to this kind of a thing, video and tips, to all the even for the beginners. They really don't know the difference, and I have explained everything in my video. I will tell you the proportion again, so it's going to be very very easy for you the next time you make. See, this kind of chalk paint effect you will get in any color. You can make it at home. Chalk paints are very expensive, even one bottle is expensive, so this is very economical and very convenient. It is just 2 spoons of any Fevicryl bottle color tube, bottle colors, any, it is need not be Fevicryl only, any bottle colors, the liquid form. So 2 spoons of that and 1 spoon of baby powder or talcum powder or chalk mitti or POP. And you can again store this also. I'll just apply a little and I'll show you to you. I hope you are liking the video, and definitely comment what next you want to see. I'll come live again soon. See, I'll show you how it works. See, this kind of a matte effect you will get. So this is a proper ratio. I'll repeat all the 3 ratio again. So for the chalk paint, first I'm letting you know, for the chalk paint you will need any bottle of the color which you need to make, 2 spoons of that color and 1 spoon of any powder, either baby powder, talcum powder, or this what we say POP, or chalk mitti also is okay. Now that was for the chalk paint. Now the gesso also you can store it, I told you, for a month, and the consistency will be free flowing. Now I'm repeating for this also. It is the gesso we use usually to make a base, a layer, to make that this whatever the base. As in, if you are taking cardboard, if you apply gesso, it's going to be very firm and it will take the colors very nicely. The colors which you paint on it's going to be very nice. So gesso is used for MDF, cardboard, it's for canvas also, it is for glass bottle, plastic bottle, everything. So that is the gesso. Then again, the thing is, just a minute. Yeah, again the gesso is the consistency I'm telling you, 3 spoons of Fevicol, 3 spoons of any of the powder, baby powder, talcum powder, chalk mitti or POP, and 1 spoon of acrylic color. And now the texture paste that is used for giving beautiful textures, that different session I'll take on that. You can, if you don't have stencils also, you can create very very beautiful texture. So now if there are any questions you can. Yeah, yeah, chalk paint is definitely used, can be used on the glass bottles also, Shambhavi. Hi Kajal. And it gives a nice matte effect also. And then texture paste, I'm going to tell you the ratio. 3 spoons of baby powder or 3 spoons of chalk mitti or POP. So the spoons, 3 spoons of that powder, 2 spoons of Fevicol and 1 spoon of acrylic color for the texture paste. So do try this at home and please do share the video. Artiza is an official page for it is Artiza official for Facebook, Artiza official for Instagram, and Artiza official on YouTube channel. YouTube channel will be a little different, will have all the creative things in it. So you can subscribe and like to all these 3. You can follow my page also. You will get a notification when I come online, and my classes are going around 27 online classes are going on, and we are based in Mumbai. In case you want to come for offline classes also, you can check out my page, and for any information I have pinned my number also. Thank you so much. I hope you have shared in different groups also, so you know it is very useful for people. And in case you, yeah, thanks a lot Mansi. Then in case you have any other doubt, if you make the space, you have any other doubt, you can just put a comment in the comment box. I'll definitely message you or I'll reply you in my the comment section, or you can have my given my WhatsApp number also. And for any other class detail also, you can definitely call me or WhatsApp me. So bye for now. Thanks for attending the session today. Thank you so much.